So let's analyze first of all gold pair from monthly to weekly and daily and H4 and 31. So let's start from the monthly time frame. So in the monthly time frame, we have a very strong level here, and price create a strong resistance after we have a rejection here. And in the downside, we have here we have a level of support that was previous resistance. So we expect that price will come down to this level. How much is the price is? It is almost 1825 or 1800. And if price go further down, then we have another level around 1780. This is about the monthly structure. And on the weekly time frame, we are heading towards the strong weekly level. And yesterday price just tapped to this level of support and got rejected. So once we break this level, then we have a clean traffic towards here we have 1750, or in the backside we have, yes, in the backside we have this level 1790. So this is our weekly, and here we have, let's adjust our levels accordingly. So we have two levels right now. Price is on the weekly support, so we have to wait for the price to break this level of support. Then once we have a candle close below this level, then we have clean traffic towards 1790, and hopefully next week we tap to this level if Donald Trump wins. So on the daily time frame, we have a same level, our daily and weekly level overlapping in each other. So once we have a strong level and levels overlapping in different time frame, then it means it is a strong level. So once we break this level, then here just accordingly. So this is our daily zone. So now we have to wait for the price to break this level 1860, and once we have any candle close below this level, because we have lot of spikes around this, so we have to wait for the candle close below this level. So once we have a candle close below this level, then we have a clean smooth candle on the left. So we expect that price will go down all the way to tab 1800. So it is expected because we have a lot of volume and volatility in the next coming week due to election. But if we may see a spike up on the day of election, and then later on we may see a spike down as well. Okay. So let's see what is gonna be happen next week. Wait a minute. Given.
Okay, so Danish, what are we analyzing? The gold.
Yes, we are analyzing gold, and what I see right now, we start from the monthly time frame. So as we see that monthly got rejected around 2000 level, and we have seen a spike above, and then now we have coming down towards 1800 level. Before that we have a strong level that was previous support resistance, now turned to a support around 1800. On the weekly time frame we have almost the same level. Here we see price is coming towards 1800. We already break this level 1900 on the weekly time frame, and in the daily time frame here we see now right now price at a strong level of support. Now until unless price or candle did not close below this level, we cannot look for sell here. On the other option, we have price go further up to test this level here around 1900, 1890. Then we can look for short, another short, and then price will go down all the way here. Let me, this is the
Mm,
first option, that price go above, retrace against this bearish momentum, and then we can look for sell. On the other hand, if candle close below this level, because we have a lot of spikes around on the left side, so we cannot look for impulse entry here. Also we have a daily time frame for, so we cannot look for impulse entry on daily time frame, so we have to wait for the candle close below this level. So once any candle close below this level, then we can look for the sell option, because we have a nice clean candle on the left side with, with no significant resistance or support, and hopefully we can get this level in the next week because of elections. And before that we may see a spike up, and if we see a spike up towards 1900 level, then it would be a good opportunity to sell at this level.
I think if Trump wins, we might see a spike till like over here, this area. This is the point of reference. Then we could see a whole flush down on gold. So this makes
Yes,
sense.
last
We
time
have to wait for the
exactly this
election.
happened. Yes, last time exactly this happened. Let me show you what happened last time here. uh, Here we see, last time we have 8 November and 2016. Let me show you what happened last time. Yes, yes, this is the last time. Before election result announced, gold all the way go up. It is almost, how much is the range is? Let me see. Gold go all the way up around 700 pips, and once Trump get wins, and then we see all the way down. We can include this as
Exactly.
well, and this is almost 1200 pips gold all the way down, and after that we see next 3 or 4 weeks gold is all the way down, is almost 2000 pips. So we may, if Trump wins, we may see exactly the same. Earlier price go all the way up, and then we may see a dumping.
Yes. Can you
So
scroll it to the right a little bit?
yes,
Right, right, right. Scroll to yes, yes. That's it. That's it. So basically, it's the same thing that market is always respecting the levels.
yes, this is a
We
strong
see
level.
this.
Here we see, yeah,
Yes,
here we see this is a level,
exactly.
and then price go all the way up. Even fundamental respect the technical levels, so we expect the same here. Price go all the way up and tap
Definitely.
1900 level.
Yes.
So once it
I
tap
think the
1900
same is gonna happen if Trump wins.
yes, even I think if Biden is going to win the election, at the respective day we may see a USD strong. Later on we may see a gold is going all the way up, but on the respective next week we may see USD dollar get strong. And then, because last time if we remember that once we have a UK election, same day we have a very good momentum, bullish momentum, and price go all the way up, almost 1000 pip at that current week, and then the next
Yes,
week is all the way correction of 1000 pip all the way down. So this
yes,
is
yes.
another aspect. So on the lower time frame in H4, yes, here we see price is hovering around this strong level of support and resistance. Here we have upper level, and here we have daily and weekly. This is a daily and weekly level. So until unless price did not break this level, so we cannot look for swing trade option here. So as on the upside here we have, so right now I think gold is not a tradable
I think
pair.
we have to avoid, every one of us have to avoid gold till election because it's gonna be a mad move during the next week due to election. So let the election settle, then we will look for gold. Right now, we are not gonna trade gold. Our team is not gonna trade anything on gold until unless
Yes,
it's a good
exactly.
scalp. or 10, 20 pips. That's it. We're gonna do. We're not gonna look for big swing moves right now.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so now let's see some other pair. If any one of you wants to uh, want some insight on any pair or any instrument, please let us know. If it's a stock, cryptocurrency, it's a pair, anything.
So here we have a JPP, JPY. So JPP, JPY, we have a strong bearish momentum all the way down price with making lower highs and lower lows and now all the way down. Now currently we are heading towards the strong level of monthly. Last time price come down to this level and get rejected. Now we expect that this current candle will go down all the way and fill the wick of the previous candle. And then if
Yes.
price break this level 132, this is what I say yesterday when I discussed with you that 132 is coming, because last time price come exactly to this level. This is almost the same level, 132 800. So we expect that the price go all the way down to fill this wick. Also we have not a good
Hmm.
situation in JPP in UK. Brexit is not going to work. Also we have um, a coronavirus situation, second wave is coming, so we expect that. Also another aspect is there is election in US, so everybody is going towards safe haven, so yen is a safe haven. So that is another reason that yen pairs are going bullish. So once yen pair is going bullish, so mean JPP JPY will go all the way down bearish. So in the weekly time frame, yes, this is a level. So once we break this level, then we have a clean traffic towards 132. So this is a strong
Exactly.
level. So we have to wait how this current candle close. If this current weekly candle close below this level, so here we, if this weekly candle close below this level, then we have a clean traffic toward this. So we
Okay, how
already
how
trade
much
this.
pips are these?
Range is good. The range is almost 250 pips. So it is a good range
250
as per
pips.
swing trade option. So let's go towards
Yes,
daily time
yes.
frame. In the daily time frame, this is a weekly zone, so we have to wait for the candle to close. And then in the daily time frame, this is our first target, 133 500. And after that, we have a clean traffic towards 132, because we have a nice clean candles. It is a good structure, but we have to wait for the candle how weekly candle close.
Uh,
On,
I personally think uh, this is the daily structure. I think we have to look for this level. This
yes,
level has been compromised too many times. It has been broken. It has been broken twice. But it is a possibility that we might see something like this and then this. So we have to be very
yes.
careful because last time when Trump won, GBP JPY just flew. So this time the things might be different. And also, if you draw a retracement from this lower swing to the top, this is also a hunt level.
Also, I see another thing is this level, because I want to see a retracement. As we see that this is all the way bearish, there is not a single bullish candle in the whole move.
Exactly,
So I may
exactly.
see that price respect this weekly level and go up to retrace against this bearish momentum. And once price create any kind of resistance at this level on the lower time frame, then we can look for the sell option, because this is a very strong level as well. Price hovering around this level almost 1 or 2 months, and then it break this level. So this previous support turns to be a good resistance. So this is another option for sell. But now I don't look for the buy option here, because even if price create a support here, because momentum is very much bearish. So let's see what is
Most
gonna
of
be
the
happen.
times, what GJ does is when it's simply going down like this, something like this,
Yes.
then it has to correct itself. You may see previous scenarios where market was going down like this. It had to correct. then this, then it had to correct all the way, then coming down. But the thing is, can you draw the retracement, the by retracement, Fibonacci retracement from the lower point from here till here?
Fibonacci. We are just
So
tabbing towards 75 or 786.
exactly. So this level is going to be really important and interesting. Market might just simply bounce off to retrace for the sell impulse wave.
Yes. Also, it is perfectly aligned with our weekly level and daily level as well.
Exactly. This is going to be a
135 is
strong
always
impulse.
be a good. Yes. If you
So
see
we
the
have to
previous
be
history of
careful around
this,
here.
yes. If somebody already in sell, like we have already in sell around 135 600, so it is good if price break down and all the way go down. So if somebody is right now is not in the sell, so I think he should avoid to look for the sell right now, because it is heading towards strong level of weekly support and daily support. Also we have H4 support as well. Here we see price just tap to this level, and now this candle turns to be a bullish candle. So this is a accumulation zone here, and not a good level to trade for sell option. It is a very noisy area on the H4 time frame. Let's go down to the H1.
Sure.
So price is heading towards this level, 134 900. Yes, price is heading towards. On the scalping setup, we can look for sell option once price creates some sort of resistance here on 30-minute time frame, and then we may see a price come down to retest this area. Once price creates some sort of resistance at this zone, and then we may see a again price come down to retest this area. So range is good for scalping setup, almost 40 pips range. So this is a good option in terms of scalping, but we have
I
to wait for
think
the price.
we should avoid trading today. We already had a wonderful week, alhamdulillah, and we gave a lot of tips out to the VIP signals as well. So I think we should avoid trading today based on the upcoming events and being Friday. We will see the charts today for scalping purpose if it hits, but don't rush yourself. Month is ending
Exactly.
and today is Friday. So be careful.
Yes, exactly. I have a same
Yes.
bias.
And also, if you see, the big moves had already happened, so we have to wait for retracement in order to have a good trade.
Exactly.
So let's go down to another pair. So we are going to a JPP USD. So this is another pair that completely relate with US dollar, especially in election. So we have a monthly time frame. So price create a solid resistance here, and then we see the next candle go all the way up. This is a retracement against this bearish momentum. So retracement is already has been done. So we may see a good. So in the monthly time frame, we have a clean traffic on the left, and we may see here. This is our first target, 126, and then if price break this level, then we have a clean traffic towards 134. So I'm not expecting 123, but I'm expecting 126. Uh, on the lower case, I'm expecting 127. So this is what I am talking yesterday. So here we see in the weekly time frame we have a price reject this area. This was a previous support,
Support.
now turns to be a good resistance. Also retracement has been done against this bearish momentum. So we may see a good bearish momentum coming down towards 127 here. So this is my perspective on the overall structure, it's still a bullish. And the weekly time frame, it is still a bullish. And if you see that price tab all the way down, and then this is it is going up with making higher highs and higher lows. But on the
Yes.
lower time frame, current market structure is bearish. That here we see that price, it is not a good sign. So we have to see that weekly candle. Once weekly candle break the low of the previous candle, then we may see a drop down here. Let's go down to the daily time frame. So as we already in the sell here as well, our sell position is uh, here. This is our sell position. So we just need to wait for the price to break this level here. This is not a good area.
Yes,
So once
exactly. This is a very
price,
strong level.
yes,
Yes.
there is a triple bottom. So once price break this level, then we have a clean, nice traffic on the left, and then just adjust our zone here. So this is exactly 127. So if
Hmm.
price break this level, then we have a clean traffic on the left. So I'm looking forward for this. So let's see what is gonna be happening next week
The
on
thing
the
is,
H4 time. Yes,
US
yes,
election, US elections is going to define a lot of movements. The pair is bullish on higher time frame, but on smaller time frame, it's for a time now it's bearish. So I think Monday, Tuesday is defining moment for for these pairs. Either we can see the continuation of the uptrend, like as shown in bigger time frames, or we're gonna drop if Trump gonna win.
yes, exactly. It is gonna be happen. But on the respective day, I already discussed with Mr. Ali that we may see USD strong. Next week, we may see a USD strong. Whether anybody gonna win, Biden win or Trump win, we may see USD strong. And then later on, we may see USD gonna drop. So if you see a DXY here, Dixie, where's the Dixie? Here's the Dixie. So
Yeah.
as we see that it is all the way up. Also it break
Yes.
this daily structure as well. Here we see price
Yes.
this yesterday candle already break the structure and the next candle go down, retest this level. So
Hmm.
also we have election coming up. So in the election first target we have a clean traffic on the left, 94.580. This is a clean traffic. So
Yes.
let's go down to the weekly time frame. Here we see our weekly and daily level perfectly aligned with each other. So if price break this level, then we have a very much clean traffic on the high side. So here we have
Uh,
a first.
yes. Can you
So
run Fibonacci retracement on this big impulsive move downward?
against this,
Yes, yes.
yes, this level is perfectly aligned with our
Yes.
what we say 76 and 70. But as you know, I did not use such Fibonacci's.
Hmm.
Okay,
So
here's
I am
what I
bullish
think
with DXY.
DXY. Yes, exactly. That's what I'm gonna say. I think where is this again? I think everything is uh, signaling towards a bullish move on DXY,
Yes,
and prior to the elections, DXY might move up, and it's going to continue moving up. Look, in American history, the stocks and DXY and indices have usually been bullish since last 20-25 years. So that's not going to be an issue even if Biden wins, even if Trump wins. Markets are going to be bullish sooner or later. If Trump wins, market already knows his sentiment. They know how they're going to react. So Wall Street is basically going to be already aware of his financial dealings. On the other hand, if Biden wins, market might retrace and then go up.
Hmm.
If Trump wins, similar cases can happen. We don't know anything what's going to happen to be precise. So we just
Hmm.
have to be in the market and see what's happening.
Yes. Agreed.
So we have let's move down to another pair, Euro USD. This is also very much attractive pair for the next week. In Euro USD, we have a very good structure. Let's start from the weekly time frame.
Oh,
So,
yes.
so here we have a weekly zone. So once price break this level, it is 1.16. So let's move on a spike. Yes, 1.16. This is also psychological level as well. So once price break this level, also this weekly candle break the low of the previous candle. So we expect that price will easily go down towards this level. It is almost 70 pips away. So once price break this level, then we have no issue till this. So it last time Euro USD also fall about 400 pips in a day. Not in a day, in
Nice.
4 hours. 4 hours.
Nice.
So we may see a spike down here as well. So it is good structure. So we have to see how
Yes.
price gonna behave at this level. So it is also a daily level as well. So once level overlapping in different time frames, so it gets stronger and stronger. So hopefully we have a good volume and momentum on the next week. So, but honestly, I'm expecting this move on the election day. But all this happened before the election.
Mm-hmm.
Gold dropped yesterday on the day before. Euro USD dropped. JPP USD dropped. So I'm a bit careful now because I'm expecting all such move on the election day. Before that, I'm expecting Euro USD, JP USD, and the gold bullish, and then I'm look for sell on a high. But now everything is bearish before the election, so let's see what is going to be happen on that day. So we have a bearish structure on the Euro USD, but we have to wait for the price to break this level, and then we have a clean traffic on the left. So we have also good
I
structure on
think
Euro
on
USD.
Euro USD, this is a possibility. This can happen next week. Let me draw this. I think we can. This level is already being respected. Uh,
Yes.
we might not see a spike like this, or we might even see a spike over till here, and then we might see it coming down. Usually, no matter
Yes.
what the election results are, market sentiments are showing you already what the election result might be. So right now, if we analyze USD pairs, we see that USD pairs are being strong. When we
Mm-hmm.
see our core data with our team, we usually see that if the USD is being strong, it already means that Trump has chance of winning. If USD was being weak, then we would have thought, okay, Biden might have more chances at winning. But all the markets are already inducing their sentiments in the market. So this is the whole scenario right now. What's going on? Danish, can we see the core data as well?
COT current new data will be come out today later on after New York session. So we have a previous data, but let's see. We have already discussed previous data, but let's see what we have.
Previous data might be obsolete now. New data has
Yes,
already been
exactly.
issued, so we need that.
So today later on we have COT data because it is updated on every Friday after annual session.
Yes. Yesterday, Fazan was analyzing Nasdaq.
Yes.
Nasdaq. Let's see what Nasdaq is showing us. Nas 100. So on the Nasdaq, oh, oh wow.
Actually, I was discussing with Ali Sahib to take a short right at the top, but missed it because I was busy.
So in the Nasdaq, we have a On the monthly time frame, price create a resistance and the next candle go all the way up to retest this level. In the
Yes.
downside, on monthly time frame, we have clean traffic till 9,000. On the weekly time frame, let's adjust our zones here. On the weekly time frame, we have previous support turned previous resistance turned to be a good support. So this is a strong level.
Yes. Exactly.
Almost every USD pair has a same structure right now.
Mm.
All is towards in the strong level of support. So if that level is going to break, then we will see a more bearish momentum. If that support is going to respect the price, then we have a bullish momentum. So let's see. So here we have a weekly support, price coming towards heading towards this level of support. Let's see what is happening around this level later on. So this weekly level is perfectly aligned with our daily level as well. I don't know how measure the pips of this level. Let's see. So it means this is 300 pips or
This
this is
is
just 30 pips.
no, no. This is 291 points,
Points mean is how much pips is this?
and I think there are 10 pips in 1 point.
नहीं नहीं यार की कर रहे हो
यार I think इसके इस I think these are going to be 20,
I
yeah,
think this is
28 pips.
30.
I I
Yes,
took
38
15
pips.
minute. No, 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 no. These are not 28 pips. I took 15-minute trade yesterday, and I bagged total just in 15 minutes around 200 300 pips.
I have your
No, it's
result.
not
Let
pips.
me see.
It's 20 or 30 pips.
Yes, it's 20 or 30 pips. So
It's
what you
daily?
did yesterday? Yes, one
No,
minute.
no, no, no,
I
no. These are not 28 pips. Seriously.
Let me see. Yesterday you sold at 11,246 and
Yes.
you close your 11,160 and you get $425 with 5 lots. So it means 10 pips when
No,
price
no,
move
Danish,
11
Fizan
to
is actually, Fizan is right. These
No,
are
my
288
broker.
pips.
Let me clear. My broker has different model when it comes to Nasdaq, pip value and everything. However, most of the brokers on 0.10 cent load, 1 pip is $1.
yes. In IC markets, if you want one pip $1, then you have to put 10 lots.
Yeah, that's why I use bigger loads.
Yes, so it means on the it means this is 28 pips according to our broker.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes.
It,
Yesterday you sold at 11,246.
Yes.
Right. Let's
Okay.
see. Let's see. Yesterday you sold at around here, right?
Yeah.
And then you close about 11 here. Here you close,
Yes.
and your lot size is 5, and you get 425. So it means these are 8 to 9 pips. Yes, 8 to 9 pips. 86 points in IC markets and Vintage FX is almost 8 to 9 pips.
basically a
But it
100 points move is considered 10 pips in on
10
Nasdaq
pips.
indices, right?
Yes, exactly. But
Hmm.
different brokers offer different kind of
Yeah.
structure. So
यार, मेरा तो
these
मुंह
are
थक गया
the
अंग्रेजी बोल बोल के.
मेरा खुद थक गया पर कोई बात नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा.
The thing is, it's different for different brokers.
Yes. So we have a bearish
Nasdaq
structure for
is
this as well.
down as well. Yes.
Yes. So we have a
Nasdaq has broken the daily structure. Actually, I was discussing with Mr. Ali yesterday. No, it's broken the daily
yes.
structure, and it's gonna fall now. to the supply area.
This
Basically,
and then this.
yes,
What I see.
yes. In election, we may see bullish momentum
Because
for
weekly
indices.
and monthly both are bullish right now on Nasdaq.
Can you change it to monthly or weekly? No.
Monthly, we have a resistance
Oh
formed.
no.
We
Can
have a
you run
rejection
Fibonacci? This big
for
impulsive
which
move.
point?
This big impulsive move from the bottom to the top. Yeah. No, no. Included the previous week from the bottom. Yes.
Okay.
Now, as you can see, 38.2 retracement is due. At least market has to retrace there. Am I right?
Yes. Also,
Uh,
we have a clean traffic towards down around this level. What is it?
Yeah.
61.8.
Yeah, it's also possibility, but 38.2 it has to retrace there at least.
Yes.
that's a big move down. That means
Yes.
it's going to break the 10,000 barrier. And when it breaks the
And
10,000 barrier, that's a havoc in the markets.
yes, this 10,000 also psychological level as well. So
Yeah.
this is how much move we have. It is 112 pip, 100 pip move. On the weekly time frame, we are heading towards the strong level of weekly support.
Actually, you have to break the support in order to look for the downside. Otherwise,
Yes.
the downside is still probable. We aren't sure.
Yes.
This support has to break.
Yes, it's a strong level. Double previous previous resistance turn to support, and then first time when market come to this level, it get respected, and now market again coming. So let's see how price behave at this level. So there
Yes.
is no trade until price come to this level and break or again create a bullish momentum. So what is the next pair we have? Euro JPY.
I am actually in sell in Australian dollar CAD. There is a very good opportunity there.
Wait, Danish, can you open or CAD? First, let's
Hot
see that.
CAD.
Yeah, Fazan was discussing this with me yesterday. I don't usually trade odd pairs, but yeah,
Odd pairs
Fazan is in
is
perfect.
odd pair is slow pairs. Very slow pairs. Not all the pairs like JBP AUD is a very good pair to trade. Euro AUD is a good pair to trade, but AUD USD a bit slow. AUD
That
CAD
quite
a
some
bit
big
slow.
candles.
So basically, it get rejected from the strong level of
Yes.
it almost tapped to this level, monthly level, and in the downside, we can consider this, but if we can I don't consider this because we have a break and then we go up and price did
Yes.
not respect this level. So
This
this
is
is
a
our
yes.
level.
This is very strong level.
So here we have a level. So until unless price did not break this level, we cannot go for. But on the high side, so here we see.
Go to daily.
So price get rejected from this
Yes.
previous support turn to a resistance, and now we have a clean traffic towards 92,523.
Yes.
So we have how much range we have? We have, but honestly speaking, it takes almost 2 to 3 weeks to reach this level.
Oh.
Look at this candle, man. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine candles. It took nine candles to move up 160 pips,
Yes.
and now it almost take 50. 4 to 5 more days to reach down this level. It's a slow pair, very slow pair.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
If
Also
I don't
another,
see any momentum, I'm okay with 20 30 pips, then I will be out. Right now, I am in around about 8 to 10 pips profit.
I
However,
think
if
you should book profits for 10 pips. So this isn't gonna go down much.
yeah.
So slow.
also
It's like trade lao to sojo.
uh, in H4 it creates a support as well, and you see the next candle is coming down to is almost retest this level, and now it may go up to test
No,
this
the
level.
thing is, if you see upside, market has created a very very strong resistance. Yeah, very very. There are one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 7 4 hour candles. Yes, that's a very very strong level, and I don't think it's gonna break or anything else. I think the move is downward.
Yeah, there is a 29 pips range, and I think this is a no trade zone. Until unless price break this level, then we can see a free fall. Also, we have a good sell below this level. Here we see this
Yes,
is also not here. How much range we have? We have only
24.
25 pips range. So once price break this 25 pips range, then we have a clean, smooth candles.
Yes.
So for me, if you ask me to trade for me after once price break this level, then I can trade this zone because I
Okay.
always look for clean traffic. So this is a very clean traffic. It ranges about 80
21.
pips. And once you have a clean traffic, then you have a volume as well. Here you see these 80 pips, it took how much time it took? One, two, three,
Or
4. 4 hour, 4 candles of H4 means half
yeah,
day.
in a day.
And
Yeah.
in a day. And previous history is also the same. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one day. So this is a one
Yes.
day move. So once price break this level, then we can look for sell here, and it can be achieved in a day. And also next week we have election, so it may happen. So let's see what the previous structure in the. So this is
Mm,
here we see.
messy.
Here we see nice clean candle
Yeah,
on the left. So
that's
previous
also nice.
history of this zone is also good. So this is a good trade zone, but I'm not interested at this zone because this is a ranging zone. Also, we have
Mm,
a Friday today, so
mm,
it if this current candle turns to bullish, then it will go or to test this level again. So not a good. I'm not interested in this zone. This ranging
okay.
zone, not a good one.
Yeah.
In H1, we have a in H1 this is also a support as well. So
Mm,
let's see what is going to be happening. We have another pair is Euro JPY. Yen is getting bullish, so it is heading towards this level, and then we have this level. So we have a bullish moment, bearish momentum for this as well. We have missed this trade 125. I
mm,
have discussed with Mr. Ali that we sell this, and he said no, we will see tomorrow. And once we wake up tomorrow, then prices already go all the way down. So this is a double top. So this is how price break and retest. So I always look for such kind of setups that this is a strong level of support previously, and then price go all the way down, and then it come back retest this level,
mm,
and it get respected very well. And we can use sell limit at this zone, and then again price come back up to retest this level, and then go all the way down. Now it is heading towards. It is also a good level here. This. So if the current candle close below this level, then we expect the price to go all the way down. It is almost 125 pips. So in the downside, we have another range. Let's move on to the H4. So we have to wait for the price to break this level. Then we have a clean move towards. here 120. So let's adjust our zone here. So this is a no trade zone because we have a, not a good range here. So once price break this level, here we see price just tap to this level of support and go bullish. So let's see how price behave at this level. So once price break this level, and then we can look for sell option. And then we have a 120 pips range. It is a good range to trade. So all the way bearish.
Go to
There
the
is no
left.
bullish. Yes. Here you see.
Oh, this is a very nice range. Very nice range.
Yes.
Mm.
Also, we have a previous history good. Once here we see. Yeah, good trade.
Yes, both histories are good.
So let's see how. But
This
this
is the
range is
area
almost
where
five.
on a good setup you can trade around risk what suits you, but this is a good setup. Like you can risk 5% of your capital on this trade, even for 20-30 pips. Easy.
Yes.
Yes.
I think, Mateen, would you like to analyze BTC?
but इनको control कैसे देना है?
मतीन को कंट्रोल की जरूरत नहीं है, बीटीसी खोलो वो साथ साथ कर लेगा.
BTC USD Coinbase ये then अच्छा जी.
मतीन
Oh,
किधर है?
wow. So price just tapped to this level around 40,000.
14,000, yes.
Yes.
Oh,
If we close here,
BTC.
if we close here this weekly candle, it's very strong, strongly bullish. We haven't closed like this since last June of 2019. Closed above this level. Yes, yes, yes. This was a wick.
Okay. So if this current candle close above this level, then we can see a bullish momentum
Yes, we can fill the last
further on.
of 17th.
And this
Oh.
week is and these weeks our next targets.
Yes.
On
BTC is
the
going to
technical
20,000.
on the technical point of view, structure is very much attractive. Here we see this was a previous resistance, and this candle close above this zone, and the next candle
Mm.
come down, and the price come down to retest this level. Here we see price exactly respect this level all
Yes.
the way down, and then price create support and go all the way up. So this is how we trade on forex pairs that break on retest. So if it go all down, but it create a wick, but candle close above this level of support. And on the weekly time frame, here we see this was a previous resistance. Now in the high side, yes, we have a clean traffic. So price here we have. This was a resistance that this candle break and close above this level, and now we have a clean traffic towards our first target on the weekly time frame is 16,000, and on the high side 20,000 is coming on 2021. Also this is a level as well. Here we see price stuck on this one. So first target we have is, so once price break this level, then we expect 16,000. Let's go down to the daily. So here, this is our weekly and daily level as well. Price get rejected last time.
Yes.
Yes. So price need to break this level, and I don't think so that in the coming week it is gonna break this level. I think US election will push him down further on. Here, maybe 12,000 again.
Yeah, it's going down.
Yes. Retest this
Every.
level and then go above.
Yes.
So this
Oh,
is our
that
level.
BTC is super bullish.
Yes.
Yes, it is
Super.
super bullish.
20K.
20k is
We
coming in the next year.
what is coming?
20K.
20k.
20K. 2025K.
I won't be surprised if 20K is tapped by the end of December.
Yes.
This year.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Possible, quite possible. Just look at this bullish candle. The this one. Wait. This one. Danish, calculate the pips of this bullish candle.
This one,
Yes.
I don't know how to calculate BTC. Now, Mateen, tell me 1322. How much pips is this?
Sir, I don't trade BTC on MT4 platforms. I use Binance Exchange or Bybit Exchange. So if we use one standard lot on Binance or Bybit, this would mean I would get $1,300 for one lot, one standard lot.
Okay.
$1,300 in a day. That's a big move.
Mean
And
this is
Yes.
this is 131 pips. This is 131 pips means.
Mm. 11%. Nice.
Yes.
11%. Wow.
Yes, we see this thing, but we also see this thing as well. Here we see it is almost 144 pips. So basically, BTC is more fundamental than technical. So also we have election coming ahead, so we may see a retracement till 90 pips, and then we go bullish.
Actually, I think when this went bullish, this was when PayPal announced that it's gonna
Yes. You can
introduce.
buy and sell cryptocurrencies on PayPal.
Yes, yes, yes. This is
That's
No,
exactly the move.
this is the move. Yes, this is the move.
Yes.
Yes,
Exactly.
PayPal I think invest how much money, lot of money they invested.
and due to PayPal investing in crypto, their revenue was 30 billion of previous year, and now they are forecasting that growth to be double with just introducing cryptocurrencies on their gateway. So that's a
Nice.
big move. And I think slowly and steadily, every bank and major institution is going to adopt crypto because crypto and blockchain are the future. And the
Yes.
earlier they adopt, the more beneficial it goes for them. So BTC in the longer run is super bullish. I don't
Yes.
see it crashing anytime. People who say they are short on BTC, they have to be prepared for losing the fortune.
Yes.
Supply
Exactly.
is limited as well.
This is at 4 time frame. Let's move to US 30. Where is US 30? US 30, US 30. US 30 has the same structure that we have on NASDAQ. As you see, this monthly level, this is a double top resistance,
Mm-hmm.
and this candle create a resistance. Next candle go up to retest this level. Exactly the same we have previous. This candle create a resistance. Next candle go up to retest this level, and now we have sorry.
I think the recent corona wave is the reason that indices are down.
Yes, quite possible. You're right.
In the weekly time frame. Oh wow, how much pips this is? I think these pips are same as Nasdaq. This is a 202 pips in a day, and this is today, not today, the weekly. Okay.
These are 202 pips in a week
Yes.
on
Yes.
IC broker.
I see broker. Yes. And the daily time frame, yes, structure is very much bearish, but right now
Retracement
we
is
have a
due.
yes. So we may see a spike up and then further down. Let's see what is gonna be happen next week. So are we planning to trade on the election day? And we
Yes, yes,
can
definitely. We will
yes
trade
we
on election day.
हम लोग सेकंड कप का प्लान करते हैं वहां पे ट्रेड करते हैं मैं हाफ डे लेकर आ सकता हूँ
क्या लेके आ सकते हो?
हाफ डे लेकर आ जाता हूँ मैं
इलेक्शन टाइम क्या है? वेट, लेट मी
इलेक्शन का तो जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो तो जब हमारे इधर मेरे ख्याल में अर्ली मॉर्निंग में आएगा।
यार इलेक्शन का
इलेक्शन का
रिजल्ट 3:30 बजे
दो
तक।
तीन दो तीन दिन लग जाते हैं इसके इलेक्शन में फौरन तो नहीं आता
नहीं फॉरेन वो, बल्कि वो पता है कब आएगा? ट्यूसडे को इलेक्शन है ना,
जी
हाँ
तो वेडनेसडे की सुबह सुबह हमारे मुताबिक आएगा रिजल्ट उनका,
वही।
क्योंकि वो उनकी रात हो जाती है। 2 बजे तो उनका न्यूयॉर्क बंद होता है, उसके बाद रात 9-10 बजे जाके वो अनाउंस करते हैं। हमारे सुबह के उस वक्त हो रहे होंगे 7-8। यूएस इलेक्शन डे। मेरा मेंटोर है, एक डॉक्टर डेटा साइंटिस्ट है, उस
जी
वो ट्रम्प की कैंपेन पे ही इज वर्किंग। तो ही वाज सेइंग, यानी कि ही रैन फ्यू एआई मॉडल सिमुलेशंस
ठीक।
and he said after 3 billion simulations AI likes Trump, and his AI predictions are phenomenal. He also uses the predictive model to analyze matches between Pakistan and India, and every time he
नाइस
analyzed the match, India won.
नाइस।
बड़ा जबरदस्त है फिर तो भाई
Yeah,
As compared to Hillary Clinton, this Biden is very weak. I don't think it's gonna win.
Biden sucks.
Yeah.
Trump is better for US.
यार ये कल ट्रेड मैंने की थी और मैंने ट्रेड राजा के लाइव सेशन में ना बताई थी कि
Hmm.
यहाँ पे ये ब्रेक कर जाए यहाँ से सेल करें यहाँ पर आ जाए
Hmm.
तो वो कैंडल तो क्लोज हुई नहीं वो मुझे इम्पल्स एंट्री लेनी पड़ी और सीधा आके यहाँ पे और ये 1-2 मिनट में हुआ काम ये आपको दिखाता हूँ 1 मिनट ये सारा काम 1-2 मिनट के अंदर ही हो गया था
Hmm.
टाइम ही नहीं मिला किसी को कि कुछ करे बंदा बड़ी जबरदस्त ट्रेड थी ये। किधर गया
बहुत तेज एंट्री थी ये 30 मिनट
बहुत
पे।
तेज एंट्री थी 30 मिनट में नहीं ये 1 मिनट की मूव भी उससे भी कम की मूव थी ये एक मिनट में आपको दिखा किधर गया
पीछे पीछे।
ये ये कैंडल है और अभी आप इस पर आए 1 मिनट पर ये मूव थी यहाँ से और मेरी एंट्री थी 1875 पर यहाँ पर मैंने एंट्री ली थी और ये फौरन ही आई है 5 मिनट के अंदर अंदर गेम आई है नहीं ये आखिरी सेकंड में सही मूव मिली है हमें आखिरी मिनट के अंदर ये हमें सही मूव मिली यहाँ पे 78 तक टाइम वैसे कल हमारा अच्छा दिन था माशाल्लाह वो कोई मसला नहीं हुआ सारे प्रॉफिट हिट हुए
कल तो जीबीपी गोल्ड सबने डिप मारी इतनी बड़ी।
परसों भी बड़ा अच्छा दिन था
परसों हाँ, बेसिकली वेडनेसडे थर्सडेज जो है ना, वो यूजुअली बड़े वॉलेटाइल दिन होते हैं। मंडे ट्यूसडे ठंडे होते हैं, फ्राइडे भी ठंडा होता है।
Danish bhai, we have a few suggestions in the comment box on YouTube. So can we analyze them as well?
नाइस।
गुड वो कौन से पेयर्स हैं
The first one is dollar Swiss, USD CHF.
डॉलर, ये अब्दुल रहमान कह रहा है। अच्छा जी, यूएसडी सी एच एफ। यूएसडी सी एच एफ आज मैं वैसे सुबह देख रहा था और मुझे ये बुलिश ही लग रहा था। सो वी हैव so price create a solid level of support at this zone, not at this zone. This is the level. So price create a support. Overall structure is bearish, but price create a bullish candle here. And now next candle coming down to retest this level. So how much pips we have remaining if this current candle converts to a bullish candle? So if today USD CHF moves 50 pips above, then we have a bullish momentum for this candle. So if this current candle close as a bearish candle, then we may see next candle go down to fill the wick, but we have election ahead, so we may see a bullish momentum for USD as well. Also, CHF has a safe haven as well. Am I
Yes.
right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, exactly.
Yes, sir.
So this current candle, weekly candle, breaks the high of the previous candle. So above then we have a clean traffic as well. So I think it is bullish at current scenario in the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, price break the structure on the high side. So we have this consolidation as well. So if today current candle close as a bullish candle and close above this, currently it is ranging around this consolidation area. But this current candle close above this zone. As we see that all four times candle try to close above this zone, but every time close below the zone and then we have a bearish momentum. So this current candle did what these all candle unable to do. So we may see a bullish momentum for the coming week with the help of fundamental as well.
I think structure is still bearish. Structure has, if it breaks this resistance, then the structure changes to bullish. Then we can see towards the
Yes,
side.
yes, this is a range. So once price break this 91,800, so then we may see a bullish momentum further
And
on.
actually, wait a second. Let me go to H4. Mera,
Yes,
no, sorry, daily. What I see is this level which needs to be broken in order to see the buy towards here, because many people will be trapped in these regions to go for buys. Like for example, if we supposedly we break this level, this is also solid level. We have two levels totally close to each other. So if this level is broken, people might go for buys over here like this, do something like this. And what they won't notice is that this is also a strong level. So market might move down from here. So we have to wait for this area to be left, then we will look for the buys. Otherwise, it's risky. These two levels are very closely attached to each other, and both are swing points and important key levels.
yes. I think this candle create a wick and then next we have a bearish momentum, so we have to be very careful until unless price break this level on the high side.
Yes.
Yes,
I
9200.
have a different perspective. Danish, can you mark the zone
Uh,
on 14 September from where we can see a big impulsive move to the upside?
on
14
this side,
September. No,
14
no, no.
September. 14 September, where is the 14
Yeah.
September?
This is from where, yeah, this impulsive move from where it started. Mark this support.
Okay, this one.
Yes, exactly. So I consider this is a fake out that recently happened, that downward move, and market exactly fake outed and then move upward. And if you see the previous history, from where the impulsive move start and go all the way to the 0.92920. So I think we can see the continuation in the backward moment.
Sell is can play a part here, but I think buy is not gonna work here until unless price break the structure on the high side. Sell may
Yeah.
work out here for 30, 40, 50 pips, but buy is not work out. But we have election ahead, so we may see a
Mhm.
bullish momentum. So I suggest that this is a no trade zone, no buy and no sell. So let's move down to another pair of ETC and USD. Somebody asked me to do this. So we have in ETC monthly, we have a price create a resistance here, and then next candle come up to retest this level, and in the downside we have this level. So this is a on the monthly time frame for bullish momentum, price need to break this level. Then we have a clean traffic on the high side till 60 70. In the weekly time frame, price stuck in the consolidation phase. So here we have a support. Below this support we have 280. Above this support we have 4 670. In the daily time frame, because
Nice.
of election ahead, so we may see a bearish momentum for these all
That's
Bitcoin
that's no no.
pairs.
That's a very beautiful uptrend. If you use trend line,
Yes, this is a yes, lower
yeah,
lows and lower higher
yeah.
highs and higher
I
lows.
think it's gonna continue to this resistance. Yes.
Yes. So let's see how it, but if price break this support, then we may see a
Yeah.
structure change here.
Yes. Exactly.
So
Yes.
this
I
is a
don't know.
strong level.
Should be respected if it's going up, but
Yes. If this
Let
is respected, then next target is this one.
yes.
our crypto expert, what's your opinion?
I would suggest analyzing this with analyzing Ethereum, Bitcoin as well, because the major effect is with Bitcoin price. As Bitcoin moves up, all the altcoins dump.
Yes.
Okay,
Ethereum
then we
BTC,
open
each week,
Ethereum and
That's
BTC.
quite right.
because Bitcoin is bullish since the last week, so these
Yes.
altcoins are experiencing a dump. As Bitcoin
Yes.
stabilizes somewhere, it will soon see a rise.
Hmm.
So it means
This.
this is a solid bearish momentum right now. It is heading towards the strong level of previous support.
Yep, yep.
In the weekly time frame, yes, we have a bearish momentum and it is heading towards this level of support that was previous resistance. So if price respect this zone, then we may see a bullish momentum. But on the other hand, we have another target on the downside. So this is a bearish all the way.
All of the
So it
altcoins are
means if
very correlated
so
with
it means
Bitcoin.
so it means if in the election if Bitcoin if USD gets strong, it means
Yes,
then BTC USD it get bearish. So once
yes.
BTC USD get bearish, then it means Ethereum will go
Yes.
bullish.
No,
Yes. Exactly.
not bearish. As Bitcoin stabilizes, it ranges or something does range accumulation phase.
Then rest all
Then
coins
all
just go
then
bullish.
altcoins see a spring season. Then they rise.
Okay.
Then the money shifts from Bitcoin to altcoins, and then they see a rise. If Bitcoin dumps, altcoins dump. If Bitcoin pumps just moves up, altcoins dump anyway.
यार
Okay.
मुझे लगता है ट्रम्प एज की पॉलिसी जो है ना वो क्रिप्टो करेंसीज को एंगेज करने की है, जो कि मैं रिसर्च मेरी अपनी है, तो उसकी वजह से इलेक्शन का इम्पैक्ट इतना नहीं होगा, लेकिन लॉन्गर टर्म आई थिंक all these cryptos are going to go up, BTC especially. अगर ट्रम्प जीतता है, especially then. Biden, we are unsure what he's going to do with the cryptos, but Trump is bullish on cryptos.
अच्छा, वो फेसबुक का क्या बना है जो वो अपनी लिब्रा निकालना चाह रहे थे, करेंसी?
यार लिब्रा फंसी हुई है, उनके कुछ कंपनी जैसे मास्टर है, वीजा है, वो बैकआउट कर गए हैं, ईबे भी बैकआउट कर
अच्छा।
गए हैं, तो
अच्छा।
क्योंकि उसके ऊपर इतनी ज्यादा लिटिगेशन लगी थी फेसबुक पे, उसकी वजह से वो बैकआउट कर गए। तो अभी लिब्रा तो वहां में ही है, कुछ उसका सपोजिटली लॉन्च नहीं किया उन्होंने, और लिब्रा जो है ना वो बैक बाय फेसबुक होगा, तो उसके
जी।
अंदर यू वोंट
Apparently,
हैव द वॉलेटिलिटी।
I
जी.
personally would not consider Libra as a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum since it's centralized. The major supply is still controlled by Facebook, just like the dollar.
Yes,
Exactly.
and that's bad,
And
right?
that's that. But it will be good for the crypto space as the more Facebook around has billions of users, so it would increase the audience to blockchain. So it will be good for Bitcoin.
Actually, I took a little buy on Nasdaq, and it's going good. In 15 minutes, I have 30 pips.
Okay, guys, हमारे